What's your favorite video so far?
The one I'm filming right now.
And in this video, MrBeast personally shows me his massive studio sets. We get to meet the whole team, hold a 120K camera, and taste unreleased Feastables. Oh, and we finally find out if the money is real.
Today we are flying to Raleigh, home, somewhere in the middle of nowhere for a studio tour. They pay for our tickets, for our hotel, and for our food as well. So let's do a real MrBeast experience. At least we're gonna try.
But if you're wondering how the heck we ended up here, here's a quick backstory. In January, we booked the MrBeast Experience at Resorts World in Vegas. 3 days of immersive fun for fans. Oh, so we thought. It turned into a complete disaster. Picture hundreds of fans arguing with the hotel CEO and security over refunds. Yeah, a classic Vegas scam. The CEO was even fired shortly after. But the story doesn't end here. MrBeast saw the media storm and invited us to his studio to make it right. If you want to see the whole story, click here.
So, are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Finally, we landed at City Raleigh and they organized for us transfer to our hotel. They set up some snacks room and let's go upstairs and see what kind of room do we have. So let's do a quick room tour. What do we have here? Living room, kitchen and dining room, master bedroom, and of course bathroom. So what do you think? Is this better room than Resort World or not? Comment below. Should I check the mattress? No, it's not this video. We are here for MrBeast Experience. So wait until the end and we'll break down all expenses what MrBeast spent on us. Yes, I'm excited.
Have you ever been to Raleigh?
Yes, I've been.
To Raleigh?
Been to Raleigh?
No.
No, never been. Look, here we have forest and forest and forest and no traffic at all. I like it. It's so quiet here.
Okay, so we are here for 2 days, 2 nights, and the experience itself is actually tomorrow. So we have a secret studio tour specially designed for us, and actually they emailed us like a list of events. So we have a lot of going on, like tour and s'mores and lunch, and let's see what's up there. We have no idea. But tonight it's just like, you know, we are just arriving, so we have some time to go and explore Raleigh City, and then last day is just, you know, us leaving. So basically the experience is just 1 day and we are very excited about it.
You like the city, yeah?
Overall, the city feels empty. I don't know where the people are, but it's very nice, clean, and I feel that here there are a lot of universities, so we see a lot of young people. that's pretty cool.
So next day we woke up early, grab free breakfast, open a bus to a secret location. 2 hours later we arrived.
I'm Kara. Hi. Welcome. I'm so excited you guys are here. We're gonna have so much fun. This is Studio C. So we'll take you later on. We're gonna show you Studio A, which nobody's ever seen the inside of before. It's the studio we were at before we ever got to this one.
Can you show us the studio?
Yeah, I'm going to show you guys all around. It's going to be a lot of fun and some behind the scenes of a video that we're currently filming.
The studio campus is huge. We met the whole crew. Chandler, surprisingly tall. Nolan, hilarious and still kinda shy. Then they took us backstage to live sets in progress. In between the studio sets tours, we played some games. And yeah, this is a basketball court from one of the best videos. We had some pretty fun challenges with different groups, and overall everyone had a lot of fun.
You spend so much on the MrBeast studio and the MrBeast like set.
Yeah.
How about a Disneyland kind of seeing the MrBeast land?
I do want to do a roller coaster, but I mean, I don't think we have enough IP to do Disneyland, you know, but this place, as you'll see, is going to keep getting built out and it'll turn really cool over the next few years.
And also, do you use like real money?
In this instance, it's, I believe, fake money because you can see the motion picture. We usually, because, you know, when we have X amount, if we don't want people to get robbed or security purposes or things like that, like you know, we don't want people to know that, oh, there's $1 million sitting here and then come bring a gun. So in this instance, since there's so many people, we have to use fake for security.
Later, we tasted some new secret Feastables flavors, blindfolded, of course, and tried to guess them. They even let us jump into a Feastables ad shoot. Bonus, got to mess around with extra large bars the size of me. So what's your name?
I'm Darius. Yes,
Darius.
I'm Jimmy's camera guy.
So for how long are you usually holding it?
Oh, man, for
Oh, by the way, this is Marge from the Weight Loss Challenge. He just finished losing 100 pounds over 7 months and still living at the gym, rent-free. He gave us a tour of his gym turned home and finally stepped outside the red circle.
yeah. I'll hold that for like hours.
That's why you have muscles, right?
Yeah, I have to go to the gym and work out so I can hold this thing all day.
How much it costs to say?
All together, or $100,000. It's probably about $120,000.
Oh, wow.
$110,000,
I'm even like afraid to breathe.
$20,000. Yeah, the lens is literally more expensive than everything else on the camera.
You shoot like 1080?
This can shoot 8K.
Yeah, I understand. Like,
Yeah, but yeah.
the guy like say like you shoot like 1080 because like it's for YouTube, you know, and you wanna like make this video like real.
Yeah, so actually, believe it or not, we've recently started uploading videos in 4K. Since we're only uploading in 4K, sometimes, not even always. Sometimes we should still upload in 1080p. You know, especially when you get something like this expensive in your hands, you're really afraid to mess it up. So,
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, of course.
Jimmy walked us into a full-sized prison set. No spoilers, but it's for an upcoming challenge and costs around $1 million to build. Then came a big one, a brand new soundproof studio rumored to be the biggest on the East Coast. We ended the day with Feastables s'mores and made some custom art that now hangs on the studio wall.
Oh wow, look at this.
This is a very special store that the guys made just in 4 days. So I love how it goes from the idea to the store so fast, right?
But the store was very special. It was free of charge and we could grab whatever we wanted. I love how everything is made in-house. It's wild to think that all started from Jimmy recording in his bedroom just 10 years ago. And now it's a multi-billion-dollar empire, but which is still run as a fun, happy place to work at. So I had to ask him for advice. Maybe you have one suggestion or maybe one advice for them, like how...
It's the same thing I always say, make 100 videos, improve something every time. Maybe your 100th video will deserve to get views, but your first 100 probably just gonna suck, just do them anyways.
And how do you still keep being hungry for making those videos? Like, you know, what keeps your energy like up?
I mean, this is just what I live for. This is all I do. What else is there to do, you know?
Yeah, so as we understand, this experience is kind of like, you know, a spontaneous idea. So do you plan to do that now every month or?
I would love to hang out with fans like I'm doing here. The only problem is I film 27, 28 days most months and they don't really give me any time off. By they, I mean me. So I don't really have the kind of time to. But you know, when we do it, it's a lot of fun to show people around. And it's nice to see people's reactions to the behind the scenes because it usually shows me how, you know, little people actually know goes into these videos.
But wait, great news. He just posted that if you donate $100,000, he'll give you a tour. So hey, there's still a chance. So here is an estimate breakdown of how much MrBeast spent to bring two of us to his studio. Flights, there and back, $1,380. Hotel for 2 nights, $360. Transfer, approximately $400. Food and snacks, another $200. And total, $2,340. As far as we know, there were approximately 400 people who signed up for the MrBeast Experience in Las Vegas. So I estimate that this part 2 would cost Jimmy at least $500,000. And that's not including all the merchandise, Feastables, and all his staff expenses. Would you do this for your fans? Exhausted, we flew back home. What started as a Vegas fail turned into a fun experience with the most creative team on YouTube.
So YouTube algorithm thinks that you're gonna like this video, so just click it and watch it. It's absolutely free, you don't need to spend $500,000 to see this video. Click it, free, click.